Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you a very nice, a very useful stuff to wear, and during winters it's highly recommended. So here I have got an amazing product from meethoo thermals, and these are the tops for women. So I'm gonna review them. Receive this package and I was so excited. Let's unbox. The packaging is very nice. Ooh. Wow. Wow. This is from this brand. So let's see. Wow, this top looks amazing. It's actually a thermal and it's full sleeves. You can see the quality, amazing quality. Just wear it and see. In the material is Spandex. It's very stretchable, as you can see. Nicely stretchable. Good for workouts, good to wear under your jackets in winters. So yeah, I think it's a perfect top or thermal wear. So let's try on. Hope you like this video. It was a short and sweet video. If you like it, do comment in the comment section, and if you want to buy this thermal, there is a link in the description box. Go ahead and buy. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.